Dear students, welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. In this video, we'll be discussing about how to apply for the fully funded Romanian Government ARICE scholarships for the session 2026 undergraduate, masters, and PhD. This is open for international students. We'll show the full process for this. Before that, let me remind you to subscribe YouTube channel Full Scholarships. If you are new here for the first time, please do subscribe and like and share this video as well. Do follow us on Instagram page. Our username is Full Scholarships. All scholarships are posted here. You can ask for the link directly to our team while I was sending a message, or check out the Instagram highlights or story links. Everything is given there. Also, in the about section of the YouTube, you can see our website fullscholarships.net or cashmanlook.com. You can directly visit them. And once you visit our website fullscholarships.net, you can apply for this particular scholarship or any scholarship that you wish to apply. So this scholarship is offered by the Romanian government under the ARICE scholarship, and this is the Romanian Agency for Investments and Foreign Trade. And this scholarship offers fully funded opportunity which covers cost of tuition, accommodation, living expenses, and all for all the foreign applicants. So why study in Romania? So it's the European country which always welcomes international students to its public universities, private institutions, and definitely there is a lot of universities, variety of schools, and offers variety of courses to international students. So this is the best host country, and you can enroll for any of the undergraduate, masters, or PhD courses here. And it's open to all international students, which will offer full scholarship, living expenses, and accommodation. No IELTS exam is required for this opportunity. Deadline for this scholarship to apply is 12th of June 2026. So this scholarship is offering around 40 scholarships to foreign students at different levels. To be considered for this scholarship, so you must be a foreign student and outside of the European Union. Then you should have relevant documents. If you're applying for bachelor's, you should have high school, and likewise for masters, you should have bachelor's, and for PhD, bachelor's and masters. And benefits for this, we have already discussed that tuition fee, expenses, all preparatory courses, monthly stipends, everything will be given. So we have mentioned here. Then required documents, you have to fill the form online. Then recommendation letter, diploma photocopies, transcripts, then declaration that you don't have any other scholarship at the same time, birth certificate, your CV, your medical certificate, your ID card, and a legalized photocopy of that. Then first 2 pages of passport, and two recent type art passport photographs. So these basic documents you have to. Then how to apply? So you have to go to official website. There you have to check the announcement tab and application files. Download the application form, fill it, attach the documents, and then send it through the email. So you have to forward all the application form along with documents to this email, burse2026@arice.gov.ro. At this email, you have to submit your application form. So there is no other method. This is a simple form method. So to apply for this opportunity, simply scroll down, click on this link here to start the application. Now once you click on that, you can see the official website is here, and Romanian Agency for Investments and Foreign Trade. There you can see granting scholarships in Romania for foreign citizens, academic year 2026-2027. First is the short presentation for how the scholarship will be there. So between 11th May and 12th of June, so 1 month is almost given in the application. So you have to do application just started today. So what you have to do, come make a PDF of the application form, attach the documents that are required for your course, and send them at this here. So how will you get the application form? So annex 1, you can click on this. Here you can see ARICE scholarship application. So click on this here. So this is the annexure 1 that you have to first fill. In case you are facing difficulty in the application form, you can use the Google Translate, so that you can uh, translate this section. You can see one by one you have to translate this page here. Let me select the English here. There is an English mentioned as well. If you carefully check out it, you can see application for the scholarship in Romania, and you can see bachelor's, master's, PhD studies. Then every option there is an English language as well. So mention all the details here: first name, last name, address details, personal details. Then Romanian language details, English language details, so mention all this here. Then if you wish to go for the Romanian classes as well, you can mention yes and no accordingly. Then activity and education, you have previously bachelor's, high school, you have to mention all that. Then you have to mention additional information here. So whatever is suitable for you, just mention. Then statement of declaration, sign this and scan the PDF. Then come back, go to Annex 2 and click on this MEC funding request here and attach a photograph here. Then your first name, last name, and then country, place, date of birth, and parents details, gender, marital stats, citizenship, every detail you have to mention here one by one. Then education background, and then study option in Romania, which option you have selected, and select the mention any of the university that you have that you wish to apply. Choice 1 3, you have to give 3 choices and the program that you have or you wish to apply. So you have to submit all the details here. This is the annex 2, and again sign it and scan a PDF of this. Then go to annex 3 and click on this declaration of personal. This is the declaration of personal responsibility. Okay, then enter all the details here, name. You can sign this English one here, and then scan the PDF of that. Then you can check the order here or application file here, list of application documents that you need to fill. So you can click on them and open the document list and cross check that you have all the letter of recommendations and application form, annex 1, annex 2, and then photocopy of diploma, transcripts, language certificate, that's medium of instruction, and academic transcripts that are authenticated or you can say notarized. And then the declaration of annex 3. So in this order you have to keep all the documents one by one, like there is an order of 1 to 12. So likewise you have to keep first annex 1, then annex 2, then whatever is mentioned here in the serial wise you have to. And then you have to also, this is a kind of checklist, so you can tick this, I have this one, I have this one, you can tick all these here one by one. And once you are done, once you are ready, just compose a single a zip file where you can mention all the PDF 1, annex 2, annex 3 one by one, and then attach that zip file to this here, or a single PDF in the same order where you mention this is the annex 1 in single blank page, annex 1, then application form, then annex 2, then the annex 2 format. Likewise you have to give it a page cutting so that they can know where is it starts, where the second page starts. So that's the simple method. Then you have to mail that simply to burse2026 @arice.gov.ro. So once you send it, they don't reply to each and every mail, but once you send it after deadline, there will be a cutoff. After reviewing your application, you might get contacted for the, definitely you're gonna get contacted for the interviews and next options. And at the end you'll have to submit the original documents. So you have to follow this order of the application here. And in case you have any confusion, there's a short presentation as well of the application, how this scholarship will work, how this scholarship is going to renew, which departments, how many number of scholarships are there. So everything is given here, and the deadline is in the Romanian time standard. So you have to, all document will be submitted in PDF format. So every document, you cannot submit a Word document directly. If you even have a Word file, write that, print that, and then again scan that through a scan PDF app scanner or any of the formats that you have suitable for you. So simple process is there. That's it. Submit documents to the email here, and that's it. Simple application process. There is no application fee involved. Now many questions are there that do we have to apply for admission separately? Yes, you can separately apply for the admission, then only you can submit them. Even if you have not applied yet, you can first fill this form as well, or you can apply for the scholarship for the admission first, and then only you can submit this. So both options are there suitable, but first best option is just apply for admission first and then mention the same details here so that it matches to the university. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the session for this government scholarships from the Romania. In case you have any confusion, ask us on our website fullscholarships.net or write in the comment section below. The best way to reach us is our website only, fullscholarships.net, or directly message on our team where our team replies directly, because if you are not subscribing and writing comment, it goes to spam section. We are not able to see your comments. So that's the reason you should directly message on our Instagram by following first, then message us. And easiest way to reach us is our website fullscholarships.net through the contact section. That's it for today. I'm watching. You are watching fullscholarships.net. Keep watching. Have a nice day ahead.